Inserting clip art. If you want to put some art or anything, you can insert various types of illustrations in documents to make them visually appealing. Illustration include clip art, pictures, smart art, or and charts. If you want to input something, then how to do this? Clip art is a picture or graphic that can be inserted in a Word document. Clip art comes in a wide variety of formats and styles, from a simple cartoon to a photography image. Clip art is a photography image. Microsoft Word comes with its own clip art collection that we can use. Then how to use this? Select Insert tab. Click the clip art command. In the illustration groups, you see here, clip art, insert the clip art into the insert clip art, then this, then you click or the file, then you get photograph. In a computer you can see it's very well. Enter keyword search for field the related to image you want to add. Then you search for you keywords, enter keywords on the search for, then you get some image. You can choose your image and for insert, click the drop down arrow next to the result should be file. Selected media files. If you want to media file, then selected media file types for the desired media type and tick to the checkbox against. Include office.com content for online resources for an image and meets the search criteria. Double click on the image that you want to insert in your document. Which image you get, then you double click on this, you insert this. Previewing and printing documents. When you type a document, then you must see what you have done and before printing. Before printing, we can preview a document on the screen to make sure that it will print it out the way we intend. We write something in we make our document, then we read the document, we see the document, that is it correct. It's called previewing. Because after printing we can't change in our printed form. Various properties of print option under file tab help us to take a hard copy of document. Hard copy means we print in paper. This paper is called hard copy. You see here the diagram of preview and printing option. When you go to file tab, then there you see there a line here is print. Then you click print, then you get this option. And here another option of the print all pages, print one-sided or collated 1, 2, 3 or portrait, anything you can choose from this table. From the file tab, select the print option. Word will display the required printing properties like a copy of the document as it will look when it is printed. Document, it is called print document preview. Asks for the number for copies. You select numbers of copies in the printer setup, etc. To print only a few pages, we can type the range of those pages. Otherwise, select print all pages. If you think that you print only first page, you Next one, if you want to want all pages, then you say all pages, or you want up to 3 pages, then 1 to 3 pages. It is your choice how many pages you will print. Select the number of copies. Check the collated box. If you are printing multiple copies of a multiple page document, select printer. In a computer there is many type of printer. Then you select in one computer 2 or 3 printers may be added. So you select printer, click the print button, then we can add the print button on in the quick access toolbar to quick print. Then printer button will print other. In quick access toolbar there is a option also print. Summary. So what we have got from this chapter, we studied or we discussed in this chapter. Microsoft Word is a word processing software package that can be used to type letters, reports and other documents. To open Microsoft Word, go to Start menu, then All Programs, then Microsoft Office, then Microsoft 2010. The various parts of MS Word 2010 windows are Backstage View, Quick Access Toolbar, Office button, Title bar, ribbon, scroll bar, status bar, document area and roller, etc. Microsoft Office Backstage View is centralized page for all file management. Tasks such as opening, saving, printing, publishing or sharing a file. The new option of Office button is used to create a new Word document. To move any text from its current location to new location, cut, copy and paste option in the clipboard group under the Home tab are used. And we also know about how to you do this through keyboard if there is no mouse, but we can do something or we can print something. So we must know about this how can do this without mouse with only keyboards. This is the shortcut keys. To create a new document, just you press 2 buttons, Control and N. To open a saved document, Control and O0. To save a document, Control and O. To save a document, Control and S. To print a document, Control P. You see here P means print, so Control and P. To cut some text, cut, so Control and X. To copy, Control and C. You see, to save a document, then save word start with S, so Control and S. You see, to open a saved document, open start with O. You see, Control and O. To create new documents, starting with N, so Control and N. You see here, then to paste some text, but there is, you see here is V. To make text bold, BOLD, Control B. To underline, Control U. To italicize text, Control I. To undo an action, Control Z. To redo the action, Control Y. Okay? Font group under Home tab provides all the options that are required for formatting documents: font, font size, font color, highlight color, bold, italic and underline, etc. Illustration groups under Insert tab helps inserting clip art images into a Word document. The various properties of print option under File tab help us to make a hard copy of document.